Okay, so here we have the question, the practical problem today. 0.4 grams of lead iodide, okay, this is the yellow precipitate. How many grams of potassium iodide and lead nitrate you need to add together to make 0.4 grams of the yellow precipitate? The first thing you have to do is work out the formula masses, and you can also, even better, is look at the bottle. Actually, you can actually take it directly off the bottle, and it's actually the best thing to do. Obviously, you can also work it out with the periodic table, and we've done that lots and lots. So, okay, 0.4 grams of lead iodide, the number of moles is 0.4 over the mass of lead iodide. Now, working out the mass of lead iodide is basically 127, actually 2 times 127 plus the mass of lead. Obviously, it's very heavy, 207. So that's 461. So punching that into calculator, 0.4 divided by 461 is going to be a small number. So that is equal to 8.78. And that's times 10 to the minus 4. It's a very small number. Now, looking at the stoichiometry in this reaction, it will be the same for lead nitrate, number of moles, 8.78 times 10 to the minus 4. Crucially, this is a 2. That's a 1, that is a 2. So you simply take the number you just worked out in your calculator and double it. So that's 1.74, rounding up, times 10 to the minus 3. So it's a slightly bigger number. These are all numbers of moles underneath the relevant formula here. Okay. So to work out the mass is Mr. Mole. So the mass is simply equal to the number of moles you've just worked out, 1.74 times 10 to the minus 3, and that's multiplied by 166. So 1.74 times 166 is 0.29. So your answer for the potassium iodide, the amount of potassium iodide, is 0.29 grams. That's how many grams you'd have to weigh out to make this with no waste left over, no extra chemicals left over. Now, if you look at lead nitrate, you've got here the amount is 8.78 this time. So 8.78 times 10 to the minus 4 times 331. So the mass of that, so 8.78, let's push this into a calculator, 8.78 times 10 to the minus 4 times 331 is 0.29. So actually 0.29, very similar masses there. Now if you add together 0.29 and another 0.29, you get 0.58.